So this private label is the most, as I have told you, the famous model, and people are working on it. But this model also require the highest budget. So first of all, this is a brief definition that a private label product is a unique item that you sell under your own brand name, and it could be a completely new product that you come up with yourself, or a new take on an existing item. So both of these, like you come up with a new idea and you invented a new product which is a solution for any of the problem people are facing in their daily life, and you came up with a product, you invented a product to solve that problem of the humans. So that's a new product you are starting with, and this will be considered under the private label business model. And the same, if you have seen another item which is having a low quality, or you saw flaws in that product, so you take on that existing item, you improve the quality, you improve that material, you improve the design of that product to make it easy for the people and to remove their bad experiences. So these both can be considered under the private label. So you manufacture. So what are the benefits? Customize your products. You customize. You tell your manufacturer to make as the product you wish. Okay, you tell them to make the design in this way. You can change the designs, and this is like in wholesale as compared to wholesale. So you can customize your product. In wholesale you cannot customize your product. You will have to purchase the same product which the brand is providing you. You cannot tell the brand to customize that product for you or put your logo on it. But in private label you can customize the product according to your requirements from asking the supplier, and you get to build your own brand. In wholesale you will be working with another brand, and it will not be an asset for you. But in private label you launch a product and you make it a life asset for you. You become a brand owner, and that product is under your own trademark. So this business model, in it, I will say that it's a long-term business model. If someone want to launch a private label business, so he should not be expecting the profits so soon as well. It's a long-term business. You will have to keep on investing in this business for 6 to 7 months to 8 months, and after that you might start getting profits. And it is having less competition, but less competition in case of buy box, that you will be the only owner of buy box. You will not be having any shareholder in the buy box of your listing. So you will only be the one person, the one owner of that buy box. After that, higher revenue potential. Yeah, private label is higher revenue potential and higher profit margins in PL. In short form, we call it PL. You will listen everyone calling it PL instead private label. So it's a higher revenue potential business model and higher profits providing model. At least we consider that the profit in private label launch should be 30%. It should be above 30%. And at last, if you have built your own brand and you have established it well, after that you can flip that brand, that Amazon account, to someone else, just like someone is selling a real estate, a property. So you are selling a whole brand, an established brand, and it's a big value. So let's go to the Amazon buyer side and show you the private label example. So well guys, we are on the Amazon buyer side on Amazon marketplace.co.uk, and now you can see this product in front of you. This is a private label product. How you know that? So here you can see the brand name is written as Derain Store, and the seller here dispatches from Amazon. It shows that this product is FBA, it's not FBM. So the seller is doing FBA. The product is dispatched from Amazon warehouse. It is written here, and it's shown here that the seller, who is the seller? Esther, and the same brand which is registered, the same person is the seller. It means that this is a private label product and you cannot see any other offer for new or for used. There is no other offer. So only this seller is selling this product. As I told that there is no one in this buy box else this seller himself. So there is no one having share in this buy box. This is called the buy box. Okay, this rectangle type of area in which all of the information, you can see the rate and information regarding shipping, and this buy now button, add to basket button. So all of this information inside this box is called buy box. So the only owner for this buy box is the same seller as the brand name. So this is a private label product that only one person is selling.